Today I want to jump into how to cut this coconut safely and effectively, okay? So watch how I do this because it's really important. You will need this one day, trust me. Okay, with a really heavy bottom knife, okay, you want to use the heel of the knife, all right? And then what I like to do is keep your fingers tucked in. And then what you're gonna do is follow the coconut around, start trimming off some of this white. Just get enough of the white off to where you see that, where you expose the brown. And that's what you want to get to. And then give yourself a little bit more wiggle room. So trim all that off. Okay, now obviously if this was just me, I would, and I had like 20 or 30 coconuts I had to do, I would just whack it straight right here with the heel of the knife. But if you're new to doing this, if you've never done this before, this is how you do it. So that way you have all your fingers, you don't have to worry about anything. All right, but as you can see, this brown part is exposed. And that's what you want. With the heel of the knife, you want to come in at just a little bit of an angle, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit the heel of the knife into the coconut. And perfect. All you got to do from here is literally just, oh yes. All right, just expose the hole, and you have to fully commit here or else you'll spill the juice. So what I like to do is just completely dump the coconut out. And this water is amazing. So if the water's a little bit pink, it's okay. Delicious. Nice and sweet, nice and clear, it's amazing. Okay, and then look, this part, don't throw it away. I'm gonna show you this beautiful flesh on the inside. There we go. Now, obviously it'd be easier with the saw, but not all of us have saws hanging around. So look, this flesh on the inside is amazing. The way I like to get it out, they make a tool for this, but you can just as easily take your spoon, scoop it out. And what I like to do is try to get it all in one shot. So try to take it out in big chunks like this, and I'm telling you, amazing, so tender and amazing. So fragrant, so beautiful. And that's it.